that way. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can customize your charts on Deriv or your charts on Pocket Option. So both of these are binary trading platforms, but Deriv do provide some trading on MetaTrader 5, so you can also do real trading on MetaTrader 5. Then back to binary option, where you can customize the chart also if you like. So I'll start with the Deriv, and if you want to customize the chart, you can use all this here. So the first thing you need is the chart types here. You can just choose it, and then you can choose the type of the chart you like. So I just choose the hollow, and then after choose the hollow, I can just choose the time frame that I like, depending on the amount of the time that I'll be staying in the market. So when you are doing binary trading, you can edit the time that you'll be staying in the market, and then after that you edit the chart time. So I can edit it that way. So after editing it, I'll be able to see the market well. So if I need indicators, I have them here, but I will not have a lot of indicators like when I use TradingView or CTrader, or let's say that I use MetaTrader 5. So I just have a few indicators here. For momentum, I can use this one, where when the two lines cross, I just enter the market, as you can see here. So I have the indicators there. Now I can just delete this one, and then I stay with the chart, and then I can change it to the one that I'm used to, which is candles, or can use this one. So you have the ability to change. The only limitation that you cannot edit the colors of these candles or charts. Now when I come to Pocket Option, I have the chart here, and if I wanted to change anything on this chart, I have somewhere where I can edit everything here. So this is the menu that affects the chart. On Deriv, you can see it is located here, where you can draw. We have the templates, we have indicators, you can download, and then you have also the drawing tools. Now on Pocket Option, all these are located here. Now the chart types here, I just click on it, and then I can choose whether I want the candles, I want the bars, I want this Heike, Ashi, or the only thing it lacks is the hollow. It does not have this one. Now I can just choose the candles. I can choose this one if I want to, and then I will have it here. So it is a bit different, but I will just retain the candles, and I will try to customize them. Now if I want to customize them, I'll open this chart here, and then after opening it, I have this prompt where I can choose custom colors, and then we have the timer here, the time frames. I can choose the one that I want. I choose the custom colors, and then I can apply them the way I want. Now here I have the uptrend color, and then this is the confirmation of how the candle will look like. Now let me try to use an uptrend of blue, and then a downtrend of somehow, I don't see black here. Now that is a limitation also. You can see we don't have that black color. Now I just use a yellow, and then I use somehow green here, that way. So you can see how it looks like. Yeah, that way. So you can see I have a different type of chart here on Pocket Option. So you have the ability to customize the colors, unlike on Deriv where you cannot customize these colors. If you don't have an account on these two binary trading options, I have the link in the description. Create using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.